name is Ananya and you are watching another episode of Interior Mata. Today we are going to learn how to make this beautiful garden decor, or you can use those on your walls, hall walls. And for this you need all of this 15 rupees Miktika plates, which is very easily available everywhere, and this kind of clips to hang this from the wall. And you just have to paint it according to whatever you like. How I paint it, let's see this. लाइक द वीडियो, टू लाइक, टू शेयर, टू सब्सक्राइब. एंड आज के लिए बाय.